Bilibaby 3 pieces set baby's tongue cleaner Scraper+Soft by Bilibaby is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. Silicone tongue cleaner, soft cleaning circle made of thermoplastic rubber, holding grip of polypropylene, can be used for babies of all ages. Silicone training toothbrush, featuring a double-sided brush head, the curved handle and with a safety baffle suitable for 6-18 months. Soft bristles toothbrush. Brush head size fits and bristle soft, with a safety baffle suitable for 18-48 months. Material, made of 100% food-grade material, comfortable and soft feeling. Packing, 1x silicone training toothbrush, 1x soft bristles toothbrush and 1x silicone tongue cleaner. Product name, Oral Care for Baby. Brand, Bilibaby. Package includes 1x silicone training toothbrush, 1x soft bristles toothbrush and 1x tongue cleaner. Package dimensions: 7.9x 4.7x 12 inches. Product features: tongue cleaner. Suitable for babies of all months. Soft circle ring for gentle cleaning of baby tongue and gums. Maintains oral hygiene in babies. Residues of milk and bacterial coatings can be easily removed from the tongue with the soft circle. Anti-slide snail rings which are very soft on baby's tongue, very convenient to use. Soft cleaning circle made of thermoplastic rubber, holding grip of polypropylene. Length, approx. 4 inches long, weight of the cleaner is about 8 grams. Silicone training toothbrush. Suitable for 6-18 months babies. Practice brushing the baby's teeth, with a safety barrier to prevent the choking hazard. Soft brush head that make baby's gum feel soft and comfortable. Soft bristles toothbrush. Suitable for 18+ months babies. Learn to use for the baby with the teeth. Soft brush hair feel soft, gently care for the baby's gums. After sales service. If there is anything the manufacturer can help you, please feel free to contact them at any time and the manufacturer will continually provide full support. Please rest assured that the manufacturer will value every customer highly and the manufacturer will do the manufacturer's utmost to serve you.